DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Which AI is better? Free AI alternative. AI chatbots are everywhere these days. But when it comes to choosing the best one, the debate is heating up. Today we are comparing two AI giants. DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Which one should you use? And did you know that one of them is completely free? Let's dive in. Both DeepSeek and ChatGPT are powerful AI models, designed to assist with conversations, research and even coding. But they have different strengths and one major difference. DeepSeek is free, while ChatGPT requires a paid plan for its most advanced features. Let's break it down. Language and specialization. DeepSeek is a rising AI model with a strong focus on the Chinese language and multilingual capabilities. It's designed to handle complex Chinese NLP tasks efficiently. On the other hand, ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is optimized for global use and excels in English, making it a strong choice for general conversations and problem-solving performance and use cases. If you need AI for tasks like coding, writing and logical reasoning, ChatGPT is often the better choice due to its diverse training data. But if you're working on Chinese language projects, DeepSeek might provide better accuracy and contextual understanding. Free versus paid, the biggest. Now here's where things get really interesting. DeepSeek is completely free, while ChatGPT has a free tier, but charges for its most powerful features like GPT for access. That means if you're looking for a high-quality AI chatbot without spending a dime, DeepSeek might be the way to go. Open source versus proprietary. Not only is DeepSeek free, but it's also open source, meaning developers can integrate it into their own projects. Meanwhile, ChatGPT is proprietary, meaning you'll need to use OpenAI's platform or API for access. Which one should you use? So which one is better? If you need advanced Chinese language support or a free AI assistant, DeepSeek is a solid option. But if you want a well-rounded AI for global tasks and are willing to pay for premium features, ChatGPT is still the go-to choice. What do you think? Would you choose a free AI like DeepSeek over ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AI content. See you next time.